Welcome. Today we're diving into Ownr, a platform designed to simplify the process of starting and maintaining a business. It offers a variety of services from business registration and incorporation to logo design and even managing legal documents. Ownr is a one-stop shop for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their business setup and ongoing legal requirements. It's primarily targeted towards Canadian entrepreneurs. Ownr comes with a suite of features. It facilitates business registration and incorporation, saving you time and hassle. It also offers a logo design tool to help you create a professional brand image. Ownr's legal document templates and management tool keeps your business legally compliant. They also offer a cashback program when you open a business bank account with one of their partners, which can even cover the cost of your owner fees. Ownr offers three main pricing plans. The sole proprietorship package starts at $89. The incorporation package is priced at $599, and the managed corporation package costs $699 annually. Each package includes different features, so you can choose one that fits your needs and budget. And remember, the cashback offer can offset these costs when you open a business bank account with a partner bank. Ownr is ideal for Canadian entrepreneurs who are starting a new business or looking to incorporate an existing one. It's also great for businesses needing help managing legal documents and compliance. If you're planning to open a business bank account, using Ownr could potentially save you money with their cashback offer. The logo design tool is a bonus for those needing to create a brand image. The main advantage of Ownr is its convenience. It simplifies the complex process of starting and managing a business. Ownr's legal document management tool ensures you stay compliant, while the cashback offer can provide financial benefits. The logo design tool is a cost-effective way to create professional branding. Overall, Ownr can save you time, money, and stress. Despite its benefits, Ownr does have some limitations. It's only available to Canadian entrepreneurs, leaving out a global audience. The platform might not be suitable for more complex businesses with unique legal needs. Also, while the logo design tool is handy, it might not match the quality of a professional graphic designer. Lastly, the cashback offer is tied to opening a business bank account with a partner bank. Ownr is a convenient, cost-effective solution for Canadian entrepreneurs starting or managing a business. It simplifies business setup, legal document management, and even offers a logo design tool. However, it may not cater to more complex businesses, and its services are only available in Canada. The decision to use Ownr should be made based on your individual business needs and circumstances. Ownr offers a simplified business setup and legal document management. It's cost-effective, especially with the cashback offer. It's ideal for Canadian entrepreneurs starting a new business or needing help with legal compliance. However, it may not cater to all business needs and is limited to Canada. It's a tool worth considering for the convenience and potential savings it offers. Thank you for tuning in to our analysis of Ownr. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision about whether Ownr is the right platform for your business needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, each business is unique, so choose the tools that best serve your needs. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.